Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to do a drag marble nail art with gel polish. This technique is super easy and would look amazing with a wide range of color combos. I've decided to go with a black and white for a smoky-ish look. I truly feel that this technique is easy enough that even all you beginner level nail artists could easily pull this off. First, you'll want to start with a base coat. Here I'm using a peel-off base coat, which I've already gone ahead and applied off camera. For a gel base coat, I highly recommend the Seaweed Gel No Sanding Base Coat. Apply one thin coat of white from the Seaweed Gel 3-step color line. This step is completely optional, but for further detailed cuticle work, take a little bit of white on the Seaweed Gel Liner 1 brush and carefully fill in the areas for a cleaner cuticle line. Cure an LED lamp for 30 seconds or UV lamp for 1 minute. Apply a second coat of white and leave wet. On a palette of some sort, glob on a bit of a white and black magic from the Unity All-in-One line. Begin dotting on black dots in no particular order over top the wet second coat of white with a dotting tool and repeat the same steps with white. Using the Liner 1 brush, begin dragging the brush through the colors in a swirling motion. There is no particular method to this, just keep in mind the more you swirl together, the more of a blended, smoky-ish look you'll achieve. Once you're happy with your design, cure an LED lamp for 30 seconds or a UV lamp for 1 minute. Lastly, seal in your design with the Seaweed Gel No Wipe top coat and do a final cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp or 2 minutes in a UV lamp. So here we have the final and completed look, and I had so much fun creating this drag marble design. I really like how each nail looks a bit different, and again, this would look absolutely amazing with a wide range of color combos. I would love to show you guys a few techniques on how to achieve a similar look with regular nail polish. So comment down below if you'd like to see me make a video about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and would love to hear your thoughts down below. I hope to see you back in my next video, and until then, remember, creativity is at your fingertips. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!